Hello, how's your day? NETRIN Precise Company Limited was established in 1998 and is specialized in the fabrication of parts. Main products: machining forging aluminum parts, machining gravity casting, machining die castings aluminum part, forging parts. CNC punch press punching parts are made with a punching process. Punch parts by punching press machine are formed with punching process. Aluminum Foundry Casting Process Recast has advantages cost-wise and environmentally. Recast Scrap Aluminum with Foundry Casting Process is environmentally friendly and economical. Bye. See you next time.